Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the obvious but crucial items. Match Reshade Bitness to the game's executable and backup Reshade. Ini plus your shaders folder. Once done, close the game and disable overlays such as Steam, Discord, and GPU utilities because they commonly conflict. Next, run the game once to ensure the executable is reachable, then launch the Reshade installer and select the same exe you just verified. This prevents mismatches that cause immediate crashes. You now control complexity. Install Reshade, but pick only the core effects and the rendering API Reshade detected. This isolates problems from custom shader packs. Once installed, replace your preset with a freshly generated default and remove third-party shaders to rule out incompatibilities. Then start the game and enable a single lightweight shader to test stability. If it runs, incrementally re-enable effects. This stepwise approach narrows down which shader or setting triggers the crash. You finish by addressing system-level causes. Update your GPU drivers and Visual C++ / DirectX or Vulkan runtimes because outdated libraries often destabilize Reshade. If crashes persist, switch the selected rendering API or enable compatibility mode in the game's properties. Also examine the Reshade log and Windows Event Viewer for clear error messages, then remove or update the indicated shader or DLL. If nothing works, restore your backups and reinstall Reshade cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.